Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few months worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I let you do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, about 24 hours ago. And remember, cryptos are open 24/7. I say that because heading into the weekend, depending on when you watch this, the chart could look very different. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant all weekend long. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about mainly one level. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, I'm sure you know what level I'm going to talk about. Depending on how the price is, let me put it this way, the location of the price relative to that area is going to help dictate the current status of the chart no matter what time you watch it during the weekend. So just for argument's sake, let's say you don't watch this video until Sunday night. So Sunday night, the very first thing that you need to ask yourself about is where's the price at relative to 6,500? That is the pivotal question going forward, whether you're watching this Saturday morning, Sunday evening, where's the price relative to 6,500? Why is 6,500 so important? Well, if you are answering the question that the price has broken down through that number and, let's just say down around 64, 63, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it was before the big move here happened. And I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, that's not exactly a sign of true strength. I'm assuming, like I said, I'm stating the obvious. Now, on the flip side of things, so what happens if you're watching the price and you're answering the question, well, the price is actually still up above 6,500. It kind of came along here, and all of a sudden it's worked its way back upwards here a little bit. Well, what would you have in this situation? You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down here. And then from the big picture point of view, if you picture these as stair steps, you still have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what truly strong moves do. So really the 6,500 number is acting as a vocabulary definer in some senses, meaning it's telling us, is the price going back, again, being associated with bearishness, or is the price making progress, that being associated with bullishness. So keep an eye on that, and depending on where the price is, that'll help dictate the current status of the chart. As I talk right now, the price is literally sitting right here at that level. Still got a little bit of wiggle room, but I wanted to give a little bit of a cushion there. But this weekend is going to be pretty revealing in the sense of, can the price make a higher low here, or is the price headed right back into that range it was before the crazy move from about a week ago? We shall see. But like I said, going to be a very interesting weekend for sure. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.